Hello, today I will show you how to make multi-window in Python for show the result. I will show you about output of it first. This is my code run first. Now we have output like this for check magic number 44, 46, 220 a lot. Output like this. But I show you a sample of code, not show you at all my code. Okay, let's move to my code. I will clone it to a new one. Save it to window. I save as test window. Test win. Okay. This one is my full code. Not needed. Not need. Mm. This one no need. No need to. Class of window have key like this. This one is initial window to add string to the checklist of window by profit pass and show. I show the new window, and this one is the third data name of window. Size of window is 100 pass. Oh my power 500. No, 1000 power multiply 500 and show frame name, frame window, text size, both type, both and show true and graphic text font is Arial size 14 can scroll. This one can scroll and left right. Uh, set color of text name. If profit more than zero, if it to green. First set to red. Add add text to to frame text frame. After that, show profit, show total volume, total value, and show text. The end. This one insert tk text. Okay, let's do it by create a new one. win one. What is the name? New win. No. Windows 2. And add text to it. Data display, data 1. Example, you can insert data what you want. You can insert it. And after that is slide. Add 2 lines. Okay. And win 2. So that we show it. Show. Into the show. Finish. We run it. Save first. Okay, we got it. See? Data win 1, win 2. Win 1, win 2. Okay, we add win 3. Okay. A new sample. For close all, we have to close this one. Which one? Close this one. Which one? Where? I lost it. Close it. Oh, this one. Close it. A new one. Enter a new one. In 3. Copy faster than. We copy it better than. Run. See? Very easy. Very easy. Oh, wait. Win 3. Win 4. Win 3. No display. Win 1. Win 2. Win 3. Copy it first. Win3. Where's Win3? Have it already. Why? Why didn't it spray? Again. Have it. This one, Win3. We did. Maybe you didn't found the window. Okay. Please add, subscribe, and share for my code. Thank you. Bye bye.